Today, we're diving into the middle class trap, a pattern that keeps hardworking people from building real wealth. The middle class is defined by three core behaviors: working hard, following the rules, and playing it safe. Yet somehow, despite doing everything right, they never escape financial struggle. So why does the middle class never get rich, even when they do everything society tells them to? Breaking the cycle means pursuing financial freedom, wealth creation, and true money mastery. This video is not to insult anyone. It's to wake you up to what's really holding you back. Let's talk about the middle class formula, a structured path millions follow without questioning where it really leads. Study hard, get a job, take loans, buy a house, upgrade your lifestyle, and retire late. This is the sequence most people accept as normal. It looks safe, but it quietly traps you. The biggest problem comes down to one crucial distinction: income versus assets. Salary gets taxed first and stops when you stop working, while assets grow passively and scale without your constant effort. The middle class depends on salary, but rich people focus on building assets instead.
Income feeds you, but assets free you. Now let's examine the EMI and loan trap that feels completely normal in middle-class life.
House EMIs, car EMIs, and phone EMIs all drain your investing ability, locking your future income and tilling your capacity to take risks. You don't own the house owns you. Beyond the numbers, there's a deeper issue: fear-based money thinking that shapes every financial decision. Fear teaches the middle class to play safe, avoid risk, never fail, and delay investing, all behaviors that feel protective but limit growth. Fear protects survival, but it destroys wealth. Here's the root cause: no financial education in the system that raised us. Schools teach obedience instead of money skills, creating financial blindness, emotional reactivity, and dependency on others' advice. If you don't understand money, money controls you. So how do rich people think differently about the same opportunities everyone has? The rich focus on ownership, leverage, time, compounding, and systems, while the middle class chases security, comfort, and appearances. Same world, different rules. Breaking the middle class trap requires specific, intentional steps you can start taking today. Invest early, buy assets first, control your lifestyle, build multiple income streams, and increase your financial IQ. This is the path to freedom. You don't escape overnight. You escape intentionally. Be honest with yourself. Where do you see yourself right now in this journey?
Are you middle class, breaking out, or already free? Comment below and let's talk about it.
Here's what I want you to remember as we close. Being middle class is not shameful, but staying middle class forever is a choice. If this video made you uncomfortable, that's growth. Up next, we're diving into something practical you can start using right away: daily money habits of the wealthy that anyone can copy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next